Hello everybody, this is Selector Green and today is Tuesday. And man, it is hot. But guess what? I finally installed my solar panels as I'm finna show you right now. Oh yeah, there they are. The extra solar panels I add to the back of these on top of my awning in the backyard. Look at that, look at that. She's a beauty. Oh man. It took time for me to do it. It was so hot. I had to wait till after 6 p.m. to do them because it be getting over 100 degrees during the daytime. So here it is. Got double the power now. I got each 5 in series and parallel so I can get more current. The voltage and watts stay the same, like 105 volts to each one. It's 750 watts from each one of them. I got the hook in series parallel. Look at that. So here's a shot from out within. As you can see, look at that. It's a beauty, ain't it? Yeah. Let me show you the wiring that I did. How I hooked these up. Now I got 2 sets of wires now. Of course I got this one with the original panels. As you can see this row here. I have this wire here for this row right now. Look at that. She's a beauty. I got them all wired up, tattled up, neat, and everything. Getting double the power. And I got the wood across with them attached to. As you can see, I got screwed in under here, all the way across. As you can see, same for the first row. Here's the wire coming out of it. Under here, I got 3 sets of wires, all tatted up, going down here through the ceiling, all the way to the garage to my charge controller and stuff. Wind turbine and a FlexMax 80 charge controller, as you can see. And she is a beauty. I'm doing this because it's getting hot. It's about 100. It's about 94 degrees right now. But this is my next project right here. I'm gonna see if I can raise that up some more. Get that up an extra 10, 12 feet. You know. I'm about to take that down and take this part off and my wind turbine off and put it on this pole right here. It's an 8-foot pole. I'm first about to paint it white and stuff and get it prepared and then put my wind turbine on it. Put it back up. It's gonna be much higher. Way up higher, maybe about 12 feet higher than it is, you know. Change all the wires. Now I got to change these guide lines too. I got to make it attach. See, I got it attached right there. I got to make it attach much higher, closer to the wind turbine, you know. But good God, I got my solar panels up. Well, I got 10 solar panels in all right now. Giving me all the power I need. I just got through finishing these yesterday while it was cool, and after we got that big rain, I was able to do it. Oh yeah, that's my baby. Let's go inside I'm gonna show you what else I did, you know, how I got it connected. Alright, I'm back inside from the outside my panels. I'm gonna demonstrate the selector switch right here. I put on here and I got the 6-amp breaker and that wire going to my FlexMax 80. I'm gonna demonstrate how this is connected and operated with the panels. Okay, each wire coming from the array of panels, each from the 5 in front and this one from the 5 and behind them. Going to the selector switch 1 and 2, and it's the off position at the bottom. As you can see, it's the circuit breaker 60 amp to protect the circuit, and this wire goes to my FlexMax 80. I'm putting the turn it on and see what we get. This is how I do it. Turn this on. Right now we got 25.5 volts in the batteries. It's gonna be kind of working against the charge in the battery. I'm just doing this for demonstration. Turn on my FlexMax 80. And see came on. Yeah, after I turn it on, it's just snoozing right now. And I'll just turn the switch to either side, either for the 5 panels, up straight up for both the panels at the same time for double the power, or to the second set of panels. So here we go. Alright, got the switches on and it's coming up on FlexMax 80. It's building up. There you go. It's coming in from the first set of panels. That's what's coming in, getting 510 watts coming from the solar panels in here and 19 amps. We're getting 78 volts in at 7.8 amps, and we're getting 28.6 volts that's going out 19 amps to the battery bank, as you can see. And this is on the first set of panels that I selected. I can turn on both of them and see how it's going to be. So here we go. Oh, it doubled, man. It's 890 watts. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, man. 71 watts. 71 watts. Those 70 something watts coming in. At 15 amps. That's double the power. That's what I'm talking about. This is for with all 10 panels on. At this selection right here, it said 1 and 2. All the power is coming in. Oh man, at 12 amps, 29 volt, 0.2 volts going out at 31 amps. Man, that's some good power. 930 watts coming in, almost 1,000 watts. If I get a good sunshine, I could get that, you know. Look outside, bright and sunny, as you can see. I close my door because it's so hot out here. I say it's working pretty real good. It's absorbing mode right now, and I am pretty happy. I'm getting the power I need. There should be enough power to run the inverter also, you know. Run the inverter solar off of this, you know. This is great. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm gonna switch over to the other two, the panels in the back. Here we go. Okay, the bolts have been cut down in half. It's the other sets of panels right now. But man, if I have both of them on, have double of all that, you know. It's great, so great. I'll turn it back. And there we go. There's more power coming in, as you can see. That means the solar panels in the backyard is doing damn well. That's what I'm talking about. This is great. This is a great installation of my new solar panels I got. I got 10 panels and all on this. Oh man, that's what I'm talking about. Get 20 amps to the battery bank. Oh man, look at the power. It's going through absorption mode and then float and all that, and this should be through charging. My baby's performing well. And I got this breaker right here just in case I'm having trouble with a trip, you know. But I'm gonna keep an eye on this and see how well it perform and bring it back to you in the difference, alright. As I was saying, I finally got my solar panels up, all 10 of them, giving them double the power right now, but in current double. Alright, as you can see, my panels are performing real well, real good. They're performing. I got all 10 on and coming in, charging my batteries. Just in case that hurricane out there come this way, you know. We've got 2 coming this way towards the Gulf of Mexico, which should be about next week. This is my next thing I'm gonna do, is raise that, get it up high up in the air, catch that wind, you know. But this is great right here. This is my panels. As you can see, they are performing well. They all are bringing in power for my system. You never know, somebody else might want to do something similar to this, and it could be done, you know. They can do it, and it's all great. And this is my wire. Each wire comes from each one of the solar panels. Going down here. And through the attic into the garage to my charge controller system. Oh yeah. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this, and maybe somebody might want to get a solar system on top of their house, and they can refer to this and many others that's on YouTube and online and all that. A do-it-yourself project, you know. Okay, you never know when disaster might strike, and like hurricane or in the power outages, and it could be out for a couple of hours or 2 days or a week. And this would be my backup system. I still have power. We experienced many of these for the past years and hurricanes, and I said to myself, it's time for me to get my own backup. And here it is. So thanks for everybody for watching, and see you soon.